Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I want to go through what we're doing in civil engineering this week for virtual students. First things first, if you didn't finish the work from last week, it is overdue and you need to get it done because this week builds on what we started last week. And if you haven't done what was due last week, you need to it's going to be really confusing. Okay, so use the weekly index to go find last week and finish those assignments. One of the things I'm adding is this daily report form. Instead of having an assignment due every day, I'm going to have you do a daily report. It's really short, so you're going to write about 25 words responding to one of these prompts, and then you're going to check what class this is for. You can also, if you're in more than one class, you can check 2 classes here and just do one to cover 2 classes. I hope that this makes things a little easier for us. What I'm planning to do is give you several assignments throughout the week. I want you to look at what's required, look at the assignments, and manage your time. All right? These are the ones that are due on Friday. This one is going to slip to next week, but you can't do these 2 unless you've started this one. Let's take a look at these. First of all is your home design. We're going to use Home Styler. Follow your floor plan and your design requirements, and use your rough sketch from last week. So the things you did last week, you use that to develop the design of your home. So start a new project, give it a name that makes sense to you and indicates what the project is about. So what I need you to do is develop a floor plan that meets the specifications, add windows and doors, and add a few appliances, fixtures, and furnishings to define the spaces. You don't have to fully decorate it and change that much detail, so just give us an indication of what each space is for. Make sure the rooms are named appropriately. When you get your design done, make a Google slide deck, give us a project and a designer name, then put the floor plan in and identify universal design features that you consciously made decisions about. Then you're going to do slide 3. It's going to be a table, so insert a table that includes the room name and then the amount of square feet for the space. Then indicate the total square feet and how much, if that's above or below or exactly on the design requirements. On slide 4, I want you to review your design requirements and make a list of what needs to be fixed. When you're done with this, generate a PDF and turn it in here. After you have your floor plan designed, you'll be starting adding up to green. Let's take a look at this assignment. For this assignment, make sure you're saving all of the supporting information in your engineering folder. This includes the notes for Energy Star and LEED or LEED. And then I also have some reference information for you about LEED version 4.1. You'll use this for another assignment and for answering questions in this assignment. I've generated a worksheet that you can get a copy of here. It looks like this. You'll put your name on it, put the date, and follow the procedures here. Anywhere you see green, you need to give me an answer. So the first portion of it follows steps 1 through 3. You don't have to make a graph, but I want you to focus on using this table to determine how many points you're going to earn with your design and then justify that answer. So make sure it's clear to me that you understand how you know. All right. Steps 4 through 8 in the assignment, I want you to read through those to make sure you recognize what we've done in class, but I'm giving alternative assignments, career exploration, and LEED project sheets. Let's get rid of this, that's wrong. The LEED project sheet to replace steps 4 through 8. So let's go look at what they had. So in steps 4 through 8, we were supposed to work in teams and think about project roles and develop a lead sheet and some things like that. What we're going to do instead are these 2 assignments: career exploration and the lead project sheet. For career exploration, these are the 2 websites you'll need to find information about the careers, and then you're going to make a copy of this slide deck fill out all the information about each career, and then discuss the kinds of contributions they would make to a lead sheet development. And then the lead project sheet, I've provided links to information from another assignment, but you're going to get a copy of this Google Sheet. It will look like this. You're going to identify improvements in these 4 categories that are identified in dark blue. So basically from here to here. So anywhere I've got this yellow color here, you can describe your improvements here. So what I want you to do is have at least 1 improvement in each of these categories, and you need to have 6 improvements total. So you're going to describe those improvements in this column, and then at the end you're going to report how many points you added. There should have been some calculations here that were tied to if you put yes or no, but it doesn't seem to be working. So we're just going to go through anywhere you put a yes, then you have to tell me what it was you changed, and down here add it up to the total. So we're looking for, with 6 changes, how much can you improve the points for this project. So what I'm looking for at the end of the week, I need to see daily entries in the daily report form, and then you're going to turn in your home design, your career explorations, and your project lead sheet. This assignment, I think it's too much to ask for this week on top of these 3, because this section is going to take a while. Whenever you get through with these 2 alternative assignments, you're going to use this website or the provided PDF, and you're going to respond to these prompts, use summaries in your own words, and give me the direct link from this page that takes me right to this improvement, or give me the page number from this document where you found this information. Then you'll just answer these last couple of questions, and when you're done with that, you'll turn it in. But again, this won't be due, this full document will not be due until next week. Let me know if you have any questions.